Hello friends, you are warmly welcomed to another new and interesting video. How to get soft and white skin naturally. Today, I have brought for you an amazing DIY remedies for clear, soft, smooth and white skin. To lighten the skin on my face and remove dark spots, pigmentation and wrinkles, this routine promises radiant skin, free of spots, wrinkles and acne, gives you great whiteness, makes the skin clear and glowing. Before watching this remedy, if you are new to this channel, then kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For this we need cucumber. First wash and clean it, and cut the cucumber in small pieces, or you can grate it from a grater. Silica, a beauty mineral found abundantly in cucumbers, makes the skin glow instantly. Cucumber contains vitamins A, B, and C that promote healthy skin, while hyaluronic acid works to hydrate the skin, improving its appearance. Put all the cucumber pieces in a blender. Next we add curd or yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of curd in a blender. Curd is rich in vitamin D, probiotics, protein, and minerals, ideal for improving skin health. These nutrients keep your skin hydrated and offer nourishment needs to remain healthy. Regular use of curd on the face enhances skin tone and brightens skin. We grind the mixture into a fine paste. We transfer the paste in a clean bowl. We got skin brightening, lightening and tightening remedy. Apply this remedy on your clean face and neck area. You can apply this remedy around your eyes too. It can refine your pores, clean dirt and impurities and makes them tighten and oil-free skin. It removes pigmentation, dark spots, acne marks. It can help in removing wrinkles and fine lines, and gives a natural clear, soft and glowing skin. Keep this remedy for 30 minutes on your face. After drying, wash it off with plain water and apply gentle moisturizer. You can use this remedy as it is, or you can use the second remedy for best results. Let's move to the second remedy. For second remedy we used paste of cucumber and curd. Take 2 tablespoons of that paste in a clean bowl. We add a tablespoon of oatmeal powder and mix it well together. We got a creamy thick paste. Apply this remedy on your clean face. Leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. Massage gently in circular motion for 5 minutes, then wash it off with tap water. Use this remedy consistently for 7 days if you want soft, clear, fair and white skin. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory channel for more skin and hair care remedies.